I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the brown me, right at it die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off.
With 910 acres, 294 buildings, and over $1 billion in funding for projects with construction and design, welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are in Knoxville, Tennessee at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville campus. So today we are going to roll around this campus, see what Knoxville has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. So y'all, we are not gonna waste any time today. It's a busy day here on campus. So without any further ado, let's roll on. All right, so right now we are located in the Student Union. So the University of Tennessee, Knoxville describes it as your home away from home. This is where you meet up with your friends, you study. A lot of people here are studying. They have the auditorium, they have the ballroom, they have the visitor center, and this is where you'll go just to get your campus tour started. I'm not even looking at the camera. But yeah, so this is the Student Union. I don't think they have any food places here. I'm gonna find that next, but this is your Student Union. 3 floors. And as you all can see behind me, this is outside of the Student Union. So this is where people congregate, they enjoy the weather, they talk, they study, they eat food. It's just a really nice place to be. It's a beautiful day out here, study for your midterms, your finals, and just, this is outdoors. All right, y'all, so right behind me is Neland Stadium. So interesting fact about Neland Stadium, they actually have 1,000 dead bodies, skeletons over there that get donated and to study how they decompose, something along those lines that I saw online. But yeah, so this is Neland Stadium, football field, and tours are available Monday through Thursday by appointment only, and they have to be scheduled 5 days in advance. Let me get off the street, y'all. So I know you may be wondering, okay, how do I get around campus? It's a huge campus, y'all. I'm sorry for all the noise in the background. They're doing a lot of construction. But how I may be getting around campus. So first of all, you have 2 feet, you can walk. Also, like in behind me, oh shoot, the bus just left. But y'all saw the bus, it was here. They have different shuttle buses. You can go on the University of Tennessee Knoxville's website, see the schedule that's running. You can also download their app. They have bus stops all over campus. And also they have a free trolley that goes around. You'll see it from time to time. And not only that, if you have a car, they have parking lots all over campus. You most likely will need a permit, but they do have parking lots. And then they have street parking, but I think most of those are limited to either permit or 2-hour parking, but there are options around you. There are options for you to maneuver your way around campus. All right, y'all, so this is Stokeley Hall. Now, Stokeley Hall provides housing to 670 students
with super suite style residence halls featuring private or shared bathrooms with a shared living room. You can find some really nice housing here at Stokeley Hall. Also, they have a dining hall. And across from Stokeley Hall is a 1,020, that sounds so weird, but a 1,020 space parking garage. So, if you want to park there, bam, you're right across from your hall. Right now, we make our way over to the Thornton Athletic Student Life Center. Now, the Thornton Athletic Student Life Center offers academic counseling services, career and professional development programming, community engagement opportunities, a comprehensive tutoring program, writing lab, math lab, computer lab, all things educational. You'll find it right here at this athletic center. Now, for all male musicians, this is the Natalie El Haslam Music Center. So now this music center has new state-of-the-art facility, including a music library, a 400-seat Sandra Power recital hall, the band room, rehearsal rooms. So if you're a musician, I'm pretty sure you're going to be spending some time here. All right, y'all, so we're making our way over to some iconic spots on campus. One is the Torchbearer. So when you do your campus tour, if you were ever to go on purpose, it's going to show you. It's really cool. It has a flame that's burning. It's really nice over here in the plaza. And then we're going to make our way over to the Rock. Now, the Rock is a place where it's also an iconic landmark for more than 50 years. It's a place of free expression on campus. It's a public canvas where thousands of artists have expressed themselves, on Earth in 1966. It has been a fixture of campus life ever since.
Well, y'all, that ends our journey here at University of Tennessee, Knoxville campus. I hope I was able to help you in some form or fashion to see if this school is a right fit just for you. So y'all, thank you all so much for checking out yet another video with me, Rolling with Nick. Until next video, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them. Put in the comment description what you want to see. What school you want to see me go to. Until the next video, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.